my brothers and sisters, friends, guests, and my family, good evening. Thank you so much for making it here tonight. It's so wonderful to have everyone gathered here to share the joy and happiness of the season and its other company. We have a lot of activities planned tonight, and thanks to the refreshment prepared by our beloved SAI officials, headed by our handsome and energetic Grand Epsilonian, Brother Joel Oro. Give a clap to our Grand Epsilonian. Over here, our drinks. So, help yourself. Walang magmao ya.
Ang pusas, Fran.
Pusas, Dan.
Christmas is a time for love and sharing. Also giving thanks to the Lord for sending His Son, Jesus, to save us from our sins. Once again, thank you for coming to SAI Global Qatar Alumni Chapter Fraternity Christmas Party 2012. Welcome everyone, especially to our new members of SAI Global Qatar Alumni Chapter, our newcomers, Sis Judy. Sis, welcome to the SAI Global Qatar Alumni Chapter. And of course, Brad John Paul from Epsilon Chapter, Sis Judy from Lambda Chapter. Welcome everyone. Enjoy, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. May all your dreams come true. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Soar high and long live Sigma Alpha Epsilon Fraternity. Mabuhay po tayo lahat.
Next will be the SAI song to be led by Brother Raul Castillon and all members.